finish that hot dog, Jimmy?
Ugh, now I'm not.
Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite post-workout meals, and that is chili hot dogs. Now my disclaimer here is that this is not a low carb meal. However, the chili mix itself is low carb. So if you wanted to replace the buns for like a low carb tortilla and make burritos or like protein chips or something like that, you absolutely can. But the buns do make it a little bit of a higher carb meal. Now I do want to say that even with the buns, this meal is going to be 100 times more optimal and healthier than its street food counterpart, because it's high fiber, it's high protein, it's loaded with nutrients. I mean, we're using onions, tomatoes, minced garlic, black beans, red chili, all which are superfoods, and it's not going to contain any trans fat. One hot dog is pretty filling. So if you're ever craving something that is flavorful, instead of going out to the street, you can just prepare this in bulk and have the chili mix ready, have the buns ready, or just the chili mix itself, and you know, just have it. That's one of the things that I focus on this channel. Is anytime that you see me making a recipe, for your convenience, I always like to teach you how to make it in bulk so that you can have leftovers, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. So the chili mix that I'm gonna make is gonna be good for 6 hot dogs, and one hot dog is gonna be about 30 grams of carb, 20 to 25 grams of protein, and only at about 250 calories, which is pretty good. So even if you have 2 or 3, again, this is super filling, very nutritious, and it's gonna be better than any street food, you know, counterpart that you find. So let's just get straight to it. And so here are the ingredients that you're gonna need for the chili mix that's gonna be good for 6 hot dogs. Tomato, and you're only gonna need half of this. 1 yellow onion, and you're only gonna need half of it. Black beans, and you're only gonna need 1 cup. Red chili sauce, and you're gonna need 1 to 1.5 cups. That's depending on your preference. 1 pound of 93.7 lean ground beef. Hot dog buns, and it doesn't matter if these are regular buns or if they're whole wheat, they're all gonna be about the same amount of calories. So yeah, just get some hot dog buns. And you can't forget the thing that's gonna add the most flavor, the mild chili mix.